One of the first visitors this morning, as soon as I feed the feeder, is the flicker. I love flickers. So there's nuthatches. I'm not sure if those, I'll have to look it up. I get phoebes and juncos confused. Oops, until I look them up. Little woodpecker. Yep, they are happy that I went outside and filled their feeder. Two flickers. Everybody's happy to have their breakfast. Willie's in the background munching on his dog food. You might be able to hear that. And the birds immediately flock to the bird feeder. Good morning, everybody. Well, look at these little stinkers. They like the bird feeder. Oh, don't look at all my boxes. I'm still not close to unpacked. Don't look at the boxes as I show you the boxes. Well, I'm glad they're not starving to death. See if I can get closer without scaring them away. Sometimes they don't notice me at the window and other times they do. I missed that one. That first one was a doe that I didn't think I had seen for a little bit. Well, I don't know for sure, but she's the same size as a doe I thought I hadn't seen for a little bit. So I'm glad to see her. Don't they look so cute? Oh, you just want to hug them. They look so cute until they get into your garden. Oh, she knows something's going on. Yep, so adorable until they eat your rose bush or your lilacs or anything else you plant outside. Sorry to be shooting video through a dirty screen and a dirty window. When I had the shack, I had a hanging bird feeder. And I intentionally did not chop up that tree. Where's my finger? That tree that's down. I intentionally did not chop that tree up for firewood because there is a branch up there. And I would hang the hanging bird feeder from it. But the raccoon would go up. I had it on game cam. The raccoon would go up and knock it off the branch. The bear would try. I saw a couple times on video there on webcam that the bear was there underneath it. And if I hung it too low, the bear could reach it. If I hung it high enough, the bear couldn't reach it. So I was glad about that. I don't want to encourage the bears to come around. Although they're just black bears, so it's not like Alaskan grizzly bears or whatever. But then the raccoon, I saw that the raccoon was knocking it off, so the bear and the raccoon were still getting all the bird seed. So I should probably start hanging up my bird feeder. But then again, I don't know if it really matters. I have mixed feelings about this. Part of me wants them to let them eat, and part of me wants to scare them off.